font in Canva. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can add font in Canva. So to add font in Canva, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go to your browser here. Once you are on your browser, you have to go and open up your Canva here. So just go for the Canva. Once you are on your Canva, you have to make sure that you have a login to your account. So here you can see that you have a login to your canva.com here. So after that, you have to choose the type of the design you want to create. So for an example, if you want to create the social media post, presenter or flyer, so you have to just create or choose the type of the design that you want to create. So after that, you can go for the text option and you can see here, you can go for the font combination and you can use the font here. So here you can see that. So with the help of this simple step, you can add font in your Canva. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.